Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to change and customize theme on any HyperOS phone. Now to do that, just open the themes app on your smartphone. Now from here, just install any theme you like. We will install this one. Now from here, just tap on download. Now just wait a few seconds for the theme to download. Now from here, you can tap on apply to apply the theme, or you can tap on customize. Now from here, you can customize the theme as you like. Now from here, you can either select to set the theme on the lock screen only, or you can select the home screen and lock screen, or you can change only the app icons on your smartphone. Now for an example, I will select app icons and system. Now from here, just tap on apply. Now from here, just go to your home screen. Now as you can see, we have only customized the app icons and the control center. And we have not changed the home screen and the lock screen. Just like that. But if you want to set the theme with the backgrounds, just tap on customize and select all the options. Now from here, tap on apply. Now from here, just go to your home screen. Now as you can see, this is how you can change and customize theme on any HyperOS phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.